Hello guys, my name is Evan C, and today I'm going to be talking about the importance of advertising. Before I move into the short video that I'm making today, I'm going to be asking some questions, and I'm going to start by asking, do you know Google is a big company? Do you know MTN is a big company? Glow Mobile, Big Milk, Indomie, and so many and so on as you can know. Those are big companies, and I want to talk about something that I noticed that I recently understood from these companies. I noticed that the big company do the advertising. They advertise more than even the less companies, even the companies and the self-employed, the small business owners that are just struggling to come up. They give this excuse of saying, I don't have the money to advertise, that my business will sell me if I do the best job, if I do the better product. But I think all those things are bullshit. I think all those things are shit. The main thing there is just to advertise. Go out to the market, create a company, create a campaign, a group of people coming together and telling people about your product, the things you sell. And I think that out of the 1,000 people that you meet, that your campaign, your advertising, your content reach out to, whether digital, offline, online, material product, reach to them as an advertisement, it's going to get at least the 10% of the 1,000 person, and you don't know the power of getting 10 people out of 1,000 people. That is what the bigger companies, the big businesses are using to break through today. So I want to give you an example of something. A wise man once said that a small musician plays his guitar in the subway and waiting for people to like his music, and he compared the guitarist with Drake, the big musician who has a brand, who has an advertising company. He paid people to advertise and run his online streams and other stuffs. These are two different persons, but I want to give the short note before I end this video. And I think that Drake is more successful in his business because he has a campaign that advertises for him, that tells people this is the product I sell, whether it is good, whether it is nothing. The truth is, people are going to buy every product. So shit to not advertising. I want you guys to advertise today. If you like this video, I would like you to hit the subscription button and share this video to most of your guys and tell them that advertising is good. And I'll reach you out on my next video. My name is Evans. I'll be signing out. Thanks guys.